Hello everyone, this is Crypto Raptor. Today I'm going to be showing you how to integrate Bitcore into the BarterDEX app. So you can use the decentralized exchange, the BarterDEX decentralized exchange, to buy and sell Bitcore. You will need a fully updated and synced Bitcore wallet. You can get that at the bitcore.cc website. You're going to need the BarterDEX application on your computer, and you can get that from komodoplatform.com/decentralized exchange. Just download the application to your computer and get it up and running. You might need a little bit of help. I found that the online chat response at the Bitcore website was very responsive yesterday when I was going through this process myself. Very helpful. Kudos to them. And also, you're going to need the information for the default information for the conf file that's going to be going into your Bitcore folder in app data. So make sure that once you get the Bitcore wallet up and running, that you go into your app data, roaming, and checking to make sure that there's a conf file in there and that there's at least the RPC user, RPC password, basically everything from the add node on up in there. The default information worked for me. I didn't tinker with anything in here. I just copied and pasted it into a text file, saved it as bitcore.conf, and it worked. So anyway, let's get started. I've got the Bitcore wallet already synced on my computer. So I'm going to start BarterDEX up. And the first time you start BarterDEX, it'll prompt you to generate a seed. You're going to have to generate a seed key, then retype it manually in there, and that's to make sure you save it, and make sure you save this information in a safe place. It does not save it for you, and it will always show up blank like this. So I've got a pre-generated seed key that I'm going to be using. Just going to paste that into here and log in. The first time you open it up, it's going to show only Komodo is an available coin. You have to go into coin management and add coins to the program so they show up. And once they're showing up, you're going to be able to go to actively trade whatever coin pairs you want. So as you can see, Komodo came up, 0 balance. We're going to go up to manage coins up here, and you've got two sides to this: default startup coins and manage local coins database. This is where you go to add coins that aren't pre-existing into a BarterDEX. So we're going to click in the drop down here. We're going to go down to Bitcore, click Bitcore, hit add coin to local database. And at this point, I have to restart the application to get it to show up in the default coin startup section so I can add it here. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to go back in here. Wait for BarterDEX to start back up. Put my phrase back in there. And at this point, we just have to wait for it to sync. We're going to go back up to coin management again. And at that point, we'll add it to the startup section. And when the next time we launch BarterDEX after that, you're going to see both coins listed. And at that point, you'll be able to go in and trade on BarterDEX for Bitcore or whatever coins you want. So we're back up to coin management, or manage coins. On the right-hand side, we're going to go to Bitcore and select that. It's showing up here now. Make sure native mode is selected for Bitcore, and hit add coin to startup. And now it shows up here. So we're going to go back to the dashboard, add coin. It refreshes it, and it brings it up here because we added it to the local database. Now the next time we start the BarterDEX application from a cold start, both coins will be listed here. And as you can see, we've got both Komodo and Bitcore listed. If you go off to the right here, you've got some options here. You can send and receive, so you've got some wallet functionality here. I've not messed with set goal yet, but you can disable the coin from here. This is the most interesting button to me, the exchange. You can go from here into exchange and start trading. But that's going to be another video. for this video, I just wanted to illustrate how to sync your Bitcore, how to get Bitcore into BarterDEX. It doesn't take your existing coin balance over. You would still have to send money from your Windows Bitcore wallet into the BarterDEX application through the regular method. You just pick the amount you want to send, then send it to your address, and that's it. And here's the receiving address. Right here. There we go. So this is the address you would want to send it to. I clicked it twice, so it came up twice. Let me do that one more time. And that's that. If you have any questions, you can follow me on Twitter at CryptoMage is my Twitter handle, but I go by Crypto Raptor. Or this YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day and look for more videos. Bye-bye.